Yes! I'm so gonna win! Where am I? Anybody home? What's in there anyway? Something sparkly, maybe? Looks promising. Maybe it's a necklace. Nope! Not a necklace! I hate snakes! Let's hope for something a little more cuddly in here. I'm scared. Wait! It's a popsicle! Pineapple? Yummers! Things are looking up. Howdy! Wanna play? No! Don't hurt me! I love these! Hashtag horrifying! My snack! You thief! You can't get away with this! Where are we? Dunno. Gimme! Hey! Welcome, friends! Eyes up here! Do I have your attention? Hope you're feeling creative. I was born creative. In fact, I have a great idea. Let's bring on the color. Yuck. Markers? I love markers. Think I can have one? What? Share with you? Rude. So greedy. Yep. Deal with it. I came here to win. And have a little fun along the way. Just look at this talent. Man, I'm good. Next up, brown, of course. Ooh, if I don't have markers, I can't do anything. Wait a minute. Can I? Nope. Let's see. Aw, so sweet. Hey, I forgot I left these here. Can I use them? May as well try. And I have the best idea! Just watch and learn, people. Things are about to get 3D. See what I mean? Bring on the glue. And these? I know. Wait! Things are getting steamy! Looking good! Oh! Almost got it! Ta-da! My favorite color! Blue and beautiful! Just look at these gorgeous hues! And I can keep them all in here! The perfect little container! What do you think? I knew you'd love it! Anyone need some orange? Green? Blue? No prob, I've got them all, baby! Let's color! Oh yeah! Hey, looking good over there! Obviously! I'm nearly done! Okay, let's see 'em, folks! What do we have here?
Oh.
Terrific! And yours? Those are some nice coconuts! Brilliant, in fact! You both win! Oh, goodness! Oh, is it snack time yet? It is for me! What's on the menu today? Juicy-licious! I bet! Wait! I think I've got something! Well, I did. Wait! This thing's always packed with good stuff. You just have to dig a little. See? Score! Lunch is served! Oh yeah! Cheese, please! Have you ever seen anything better? Maybe don't answer that. I'm thrilled! Am I a good chef or what? Check it out! Look! Well? Want some? Nope. All you, bro. No, taste the magic. You'll love it.
Okay.
If you say so. I don't know. I guess it's alright.
Well?
Not bad. Why are you staring? What the? My face! What have you done to me? You've ruined me! I have a hula party to go to! I can't go like this!
I'm sorry, but maybe I can help. Just give me a minute to prep. You won't even remember what happened. In fact, it'll be a blessing in disguise.
Just trust the process, okay? Now let's bring this thing to life. She's coming out to play. From cardboard to real, baby. Aw, my bestie. I need the back nice and sticky. And soon you'll see why. Yep, perfect. Now take these and connect them. And just like that, it's ready. See? Yoo-hoo! Like what you see? Watch. You ready to see some dancing? Over here. Watch and be amazed. These hips don't lie. Faster, faster!
Oh, wow!
It's almost ready.
So sweet! Hey, look! It's a photo shoot! I always wanted to be a model. Oh, that'll never happen.
That's not true. Wait!
I'm hideous! So ugly!
Let's think. I won't let her be ugly alone. Things are getting funky up in here. See? Hey, what do you think?
That's so sweet. I love you, Stitch.
Come on, let's go. We're here to get our photo taken.
They're gone? Bummer. Oh well.
So what? We can have our own photo shoot. I think I can make this work. Just watch very closely. This cardboard's gonna blow your mind. Every photo shoot needs a backdrop. A happy, sunny backdrop. Okay, you ready? Ta-da!
Wow, it's incredible! Let's take a pic, come on!
Bleh.
Say aloha! How does it look? Wow, we look pretty good! Even covered in polka dots! What? Look at all those people! Stitch is a genius! A business genius! Can we go shopping now?
Nice!
Let's see here. This, perhaps? Yeah! Pretty cool, right?
That's cool. What about me? I've got nothing. Or do I? Don't mind if I do. Alrighty then. Who needs a fancy marker when I've got fingertips? My masterpiece!
Huh? What's with this mess?
Okay, whatever. I know. Watch this. You don't have to go buy fancy markers. You can just make one yourself. Just like your fingers, you gotta work with what you've got. And what I've got is plenty of toothpicks. And these little doodads. Wait for it. It's the most important piece. Well, almost as important as this stitch. I did it! See?
What?
You like? This puppy runs smooth. See what I mean? In fact…
You sure about that?
Definitely! So cool, right? Wanna try? I'll take that as a yes!
Oh boy!
Ooh, what's that now? Oh, all good.
See ya! Who's gonna tell her?
Hey, who's this? Hey, me? A ticket?
Seems like an important call.
Sounds good to me.
I've got work to do.
Speak for yourself. Ah. Woohoo! Faster, faster! Yeah! Phew! I know. Teacher's gone. Woohoo! I'm free! See? We can do whatever we want! Freedom! Let's go nuts, come on! How about some ball?
What's the matter with you? I'm working here!
Exactly!
What? No! Wait!
Oh no!
Oh, that's not good.
Definitely not!
All is forgiven. What a doll. What's my stuff doing on the floor? Well…
I feel terrible.
Me too, I guess. But I can turn things around. Especially with this on hand. See?
Cardboard?
I've got a plan.
Okay.
Okay is right. Watch me turn that brown upside down. This thing's sharp. Can you guess the shape? You love flowers, don't you? Okay, back to business. Now put another one on top, and this piece in the middle. Hot glue coming in well hot. And I have a whole other piece over here. Now stick this piece onto this one, quick before it dries. And then it's painting time. It's not a flower without some color. Here, for your desk. It can hold everything, even your novels.
Amazing!
I did it!
Did what? Oh! Is that for me?
Nice work!
It really was nothing.
Whoever made this is brilliant!